Here I have SONY Xperia L3 and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation. Let me show you how to bypass pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Sony logo pops up on the screen. As you can see, the Android system recovery pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down here to choose wipe data factory reset and press power key to confirm it. Scroll down again, let's choose the yes and press power key to confirm it. The device right now is performing the hard reset, the phone is erasing all personal data and customized settings. As soon as Android system recovery pops up, let's press power key to reboot system now. And let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up and as you can see there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.